Welcome to Alexandria, Louisiana.
When entering the Riverfront Center, make sure to enter through the glass doors that are facing 2nd Street. When you've entered, make sure to go to the registration line, get your name tag. Don't forget to wait in line. Each session has a different colored lanyard, so make sure you visit registration and get the correct lanyard for the correct session. Remember, you can only receive a lanyard when you pre-register.
Once you visit the registration table, make sure you take the escalator to your right so you can join the fun upstairs. Once you're in the session hall, please grab your seats, but remember, do not move the chairs. Be sure to sit back, relax, and enjoy one of our first in-person events of the year.
Now, a lanyard is required to enter through the session hall, but there are plenty of other places we can go where a lanyard is not required. Outside of the session hall is where we can find our picture wall, and we also have 6 exhibitors for our expo this year from colleges from all over the state of Louisiana. And teachers. Through this area, you will find your very own hospitality space. You will find a concession stand where you will be served coffee and snacks, brought to you by Riverstar and Southern Heritage.
And now we're going to take a look into the Hotel Bentley, which is easily accessible through the skywalk found at the end of the expo hallway. Enter the Hotel Bentley from the skywalk. If you walk to your left, you will find the rooms for prepared public speaking, creed speaking, as well as Gulf of Mexico. All of our leadership development events will be beginning at 9 a.m. In the Claiborne room, you will find the prepared public speaking contest. If you walk in this way, you will find the Beauregard and the Livingston room, which will hold creed speaking and Gulf of Mexico. Exit from the right of the staircase, then you will find the Bayou Robert room, which is where we will hold the Go Teach Ag contest. Coming down the staircase, if you look to the left, you'll find the room that we hold our parliamentary procedure contest in. Furthermore, there are additional entrances at the front of the Hotel Bentley. If you're having trouble finding anything, make sure to look for directional signs to help you out. And get this, if you have any downtime or you just want to find something to do with your chapter, speak to the management at the Bentley to schedule a ghost tour or any other recreationals that they have going on.
During convention, I know things can get stressful and you get hungry. Well, if you look over here, this is where the food trucks are going to be for all your hunger needs. Oh, sorry, didn't see you there. We're just practicing our dance moves for the street party that's going to be happening in this area on June 9th. Be there or be square. So now that we've looked at the convention sites, hotel, and showed you a little bit what we're going to be doing during convention, let's take a walk down downtown Alexandria.
And be sure that if you're ever walking downtown, you check out the amazing graffiti walls.
We can't wait to see you here so soon. It's going to be the best time ever. Don't forget to download the Louisiana FFA Convention app too. On the app, you will be able to see the schedule, sessions, planning, and maps, and the location and times of all of our workshops and sessions will be there too.